So, the first thing I learned is that the reason we keep bureaucracies is because they are useful even when they don't seem to work that quick. They are still efficient and get the job done. Another reason we have so many is because Congress keeps making them and giving them power. And lastly, the reason it's so difficult to the reason we have so many is because it's really difficult to get rid of bureaucracies once we have one. In the next vid, I learned about the Parkinson's Law, which is one of the first, what I'm dubbing, universal laws, which basically means that however long you're given to do something is how long it will take. If you're given 2 weeks to write an essay, you will most likely spend the full 2 weeks writing that essay. Another one of these universal laws basically says that the longer something goes on, mainly, governmental, like Congress and stuff, the more conservative it gets, especially if you think a lot of these, a lot seem more conservative now, because it's safer to be conservative. Making less change means less risk. The last one of these is the imperfect control, or the law of imperfect control, which states that not one person can completely control a big organization. In the last video, I learned about the Iron Triangle, and I learned that it is a alliance made up of legislators, bureaucrats, and interest groups to preserve policies that they benefit from. Next, I learned that in this triangle, the interest group campaign contributions, electoral support, and industry information. Then I learned that the Congress focus on funding and political support. And lastly, I learned that the bureaucracy focus on favorable regulations and contracts for the triangle so that they can each benefit from the alliance.